Time to go on the...
These remind me of like ski lifts.
They are.
Because you know how I was playing Battle Royale with you, and we're and it's getting.
There we go, guys. Are you guys excited?
Yeah. I rode on one of these in Call of Duty.
In Call of Duty? It's not the same, bro. There we go, guys.
Here are all your belongings. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Wait, this is actually amazing.
Wow, look at that.
I'm not gonna jump off this. I'm not gonna.
Just down. Yes?
If you drop that.
It'll break for sure.
Yeah, you're fine, buddy. Put your head up. You're fine.
Look at this.
Josiah, what do you think?
Wow.
This is amazing. Oh, I can see the end
Right?
of the building.
Look at that.
This is actually nice.
Can you see it real high? Josiah, you tell me if you see any animals.
Tagging by my name. Josi. Where's H? Look at this side. I don't know where H is. Oh, I found H.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Wow.
Oh, there we
Look at
go.
the airplane.
Whoa, we're the same altitude as
Take
him.
a picture of that.
Yeah, we're moving there.
Yeah, here we go.
He's fine, Kaden. Just not against the door. Go ahead. Can you see now?
Look at how green it is. Right?
Yeah, go put it against the door. You see stuff down there, Josiah?
I don't see animals.
No, you can't
Whoa,
see from
guys,
up
look
here.
at, you might be seeing
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yes, I look at, sit down. It's the little watermelon. Yeah, remember, Tata?
What?
We saw they're loading people
Yeah.
up.
There's the bridge that we
Oh,
walked.
look, guys. Let's stop again.
You want us to look it up?
Let's stop. Don't leave it off balance.
Super cool.
Oh, look.
Church bells. Look at that's the bridge that we were on yesterday. Over there, Josiah. We were walking that bridge. Cool. Pandas over there. Thank you for coming. You were scared. Isn't
Oh,
it
this
super
guy.
cool?
So-
Kaden?
He did it.
Kaden.
He did it.
Hey. He's holding on tight though, but he's here.
He said he was good if his thing wasn't covered.
What's this?
We go all the way up high and then we go all the way down.
All of a sudden he's a pro. Oh, what's shaking? What's it shaking? We made it safely, guys. We made it. We made it safely. Thank you. Kaden, so how was it?
Good?
Kaden,
Look.
how was it?
Look.
What is it?
What is it? That
What?
thing.
Here we go.
Look it, ready? We're gonna feel boost. Boost! What? Oh, there
Tiene
we
miedo
go.
poquito, ¿verdad?
On the track. Whoa! I don't even feel anything. I didn't even get scared there. Kaden,
I said start the timer. It's recording.
Feel anything.
On the camera.
That's like you said.
I have it right here.
Why? Start the timer. I could be ready this right now.
Wow, look at
I wish I
that.
could race this. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm just trying to be funny. 4. I see number 4.
Look at that picture. I didn't take a landscape photo there. Wow.
Hey, look at Sam. Say hi to number 4. No, how can you say hi to number 4? Or no, on number 27, on number 25, on number
Look at that
46.
down there. All of that is a zoo.
Number 2. 42.
There's
Number
the bridge that you walk across.
I like it on this side.
Yeah?
It's nice.
Almost at the top of the highest peak. On our way to the highest peak.
Hey, if I could do this, maybe I could ride a scooter. Scooters are not as high, but they're not until you just sit. Oh no!
Oh, look at the airplane, guys. Wow, look at that.
Oh, look, we're going high. Yeah.
All of that is the zoo there. That's insane. No, we're at the highest point. We're at the highest point now. Highest point, right? Wow.
There's monkeys.
You hear the monkeys?
Oh my God, Kaden, somebody
That's
got the
Balboa
worst
Park there.
number. Somebody got the worst number. They got 1. That sucks. We have more. Wait, let's see, is there a gorilla water though? I don't see the gorillas at all.
Maybe they're playing gorilla tag.
Oh my God, bro. But imagine they're teaching them how to play.
That's the aviary that was closed yesterday.
One person which they
Wow.
Oh, no, is this the highest?
No, we already passed the highest point.
Number 2 is second highest.
Here comes another airplane.
Down.
Now look at that over there. That little peak over there. Oh, so beautiful.
7.
Literally feels like you're
Nobody's even in there.
a jungle.
Look,
Oh no.
no one's even in there. 6 is right here. No one's even in there.
There's the
They
entrance to the zoo down there.
Not in there. I think the people are delivery knows for the other side.
Josiah, you like this?
Yeah.
Look here. You like it?
Oh my God,
on our way down, guys.
delivering some
Sorry,
to
look
the
here.
other.
Look here.
Jaden, they're delivering some to the other side.
So cool.
They're delivering.
All right, guys, ready to get on? Whoa. Almost 4 minutes. Thank you.